Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out a must-have upgrade for EV owners, the Level 2 EV Charger 48A 11.5kW charging station. If you're still relying on a standard Level 1 charger, you already know how slow it can be. This Level 2 charger completely changes the experience by delivering up to 48 amps and 11.5 kilowatts of power, giving you dramatically faster charging right at home. Even in plug-in mode at 48A 9.6 kilowatts, it's still significantly quicker than basic chargers. This unit comes with a NEMA 14 to 50 UL certified plug, making it compatible with most home charging setups, and it also supports hardwired installation for maximum performance and stability. Whether you're upgrading your garage or setting up a dedicated EV station, this charger gives you flexibility. One of the standout features is the 25-foot SAE J1772 cable, which works with most electric vehicles and gives you plenty of reach, so parking position isn't an issue. It's designed for convenience and wide compatibility across EV brands. Smart features really take it to the next level. With Wi-Fi app control, you can monitor charging, schedule sessions, and track energy usage right from your phone. The addition of an RFID system adds a layer of security, ensuring only authorized users can access the charger, perfect for shared spaces or added control at home. The built-in display screen provides real-time charging data, making it easy to see exactly what's happening at a glance. Combined with UL certification, this charger is built with safety, durability, and reliability in mind. If you're serious about faster, smarter, and more efficient EV charging at home, this Level 2 charger is a solid investment. Check it out using the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech reviews like this.